And welcome back. Now let's look at a function pointer example to actually see how we would do that with C. This is the only slide we're going to show for this lecture. So let's actually jump in. Let's go here and grab the pen. And what does this do? So we define two very simple functions. x10, which is times 10 and times 2. If you look at this, all they do is return double the input or 10 times the input. Very easy, okay? I declare print array is just a simple thing that's just going to print the array, nothing special here. And here is mutate map. Okay, what I want to write is map. The simple higher function of map takes a function and a list, and it's going to return a new list with that function applied to every element of it. But actually mutate map is easier because I haven't really told you how to make new space of things dynamically, so that'll be later. So we're going to have to actually change the input, okay? But same idea. So here is mutate map. It takes the array. It takes the size. I mentioned before in an earlier lecture, you have to pass in the array and the size to it. And here, look at this. This is the way you declare to say, I'm going to receive a FP is going to be a function pointer that's going to return an int, take an int, and return an int. That's the x2 or x10. Okay, that's it. Nothing else is magical. So here's the code. Here's the main. I make an array, first 3 digits of pi, 314, and it's 3 numbers in here. I print the array. There's my 314. I call mutate map. Watch this. Address of x10. I pass in a pointer to x10. x2 times 2. I pass in the double. That's the double function. What does it do? It mutates A, and now it prints it out. Print array prints it out. 628. That's pretty cool. I pass in the 10 times function, and I print the array, and there's 60, 20, 80. This simple piece of code is how you would use a function pointer yourself. Now you can think of writing really general procedures that don't just consume data, but actually consume other functions too and are more general. Pretty cool. We'll see you at the next video.